Iceland, often dubbed the land of fire and ice, is renowned for its stunning landscapes, ranging from impressive glaciers to geothermal springs. Many people assume a trip to Iceland will break the bank, but it is possible to experience its wonders without spending a fortune. This budget-friendly travel guide to Iceland offers tips on how to enjoy your trip without emptying your wallet. One of the biggest costs when traveling is accommodation. Consider staying in hostels, guest houses, or even camping. Iceland has a fantastic network of campsites scattered across the country, many of which offer basic facilities at a fraction of the cost of a hotel room. Renting a campervan can also serve as both transport and accommodation, providing flexibility and cost savings. Another major expense is food. Dining out in Iceland can be quite pricey. Instead, visit local grocery stores like Bonus or Kronan for your meals. Many hostels and guest houses have kitchen facilities where you can prepare your own food. Packing snacks and instant meals for day trips is another great way to save money. Transportation in Iceland is essential for exploring its diverse landscapes. Renting a car is often the best way to get around, but can be expensive if you don't book in advance. For solo travelers or small groups, consider using the extensive bus network, which can take you to many of the major sites. Joining guided tours can also be an affordable way to see the highlights. Iceland offers an abundance of natural attractions that are completely free to visit. Waterfalls like Skogafoss and Seljalandsfoss, the black sand beaches of Vik, and the stunning vistas along the Golden Circle route are just a few examples. Consider investing in a map and exploring some of the lesser-known areas to avoid the crowds and find hidden gems. The Blue Lagoon is a popular destination but comes with a steep price tag. Instead, look for more affordable geothermal pools and hot springs scattered throughout the country, such as the Secret Lagoon or Mývatn Nature Baths. Timing your visit can also have a big impact on your budget. Traveling during the shoulder seasons, spring and fall, means fewer tourists and often lower prices on flights and accommodations. Additionally, the weather is still relatively mild, making it a great time to explore the outdoors. Lastly, keep an eye out for free cultural events and festivals happening during your stay. Iceland has a vibrant cultural scene, and many towns host free concerts, art exhibits, and local markets.